Okay, here we go. Here's my run for Yie Ar Kung-fu. 2 credits, and let's have a go. Okay, see how far I get. You get a few layers on this, so not over with 1 credit lost. That's first boss out the way. Second boss is quite hard. So some facts about this game. This was on a lot of systems around about the first or second generation time. Sort of SNES, MSX, that sort of thing. She's a pain in the ass with the stars and that. Just gotta wait until she throws it and then try and get her for that. Fuck. Fortunately, there's not a time limit. Bollocks. Yeah, so this is second best-selling game of 1985, which is on home consoles, which is surprising because a lot of people don't know about this game. And also that version was completely different to the, well, I say completely, it's not totally different. I don't think this character was based on Bruce Lee, but all the sort of graphics for the home versions were based on like Bruce Lee pictures, which don't know if his family sued or anything, but yeah. So it's about as good as I've done so far, to be honest. Can't see the screen properly because I've got my makeshift wave video in as usual, which is to stick a selfie stick in my coat and attach my phone. You know, I'd like to think I invented this method, but I'm sure other people in desperately bad financial situations might do the same thing. Who knows? Okay, this guy is easier than he looks. Come on. Bish bash bosh. Doing not bad. 3 minutes so far. I've only got like, fortunately I've only got like maximum of 20 minutes to record because I've run out of space on my phone because I'm that unorganised. Say this is like a bonus stage. It's quite easy. Right, let's get on to the next one. What with the time and everything, I might just have 1 go on this. Who knows? See how I get on. I mean, whether this method is the best, just bash, 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 I don't know. There's probably a more cleaner way of doing it, but I don't know. With my lack of vision from the camera getting in the way, it's kind of the best I can do, really. Keep hitting his shield. Don't know if that damages him or not, but there you go. Yeah, come on. I have played this arcade version before a few times, but not at the time. When I got my arcade, and then when I got this bar top arcade retro pie. Fuck me, I've never got this far before. Whoa, what the fuck? Fanny. shit. Come on. Yes. Not bad. Might just have this go and then give it the one credit, because I don't want my camera to run out halfway through second go. Come on. Yeah, you can actually punch as well. There's a lot of moves in this game. I just haven't worked out how to do them all. Fine kick reaches a bit more than punch, I think. Let's see. Ton fun. He must be a ton of fun. I could say I never got this far before. I think on the home console versions they don't have this many baddies. Probably because of, restrictions. But they used to use the same ones, same 5 I think it was, same 5 over and over again. And then... first defeat. And just make them slightly quicker and slightly harder to beat every time. Which was the old school method of duplication, or change the colour of the character. And you get a whole new baddie sort of thing. Which, even worked in Mortal Kombat days. Oh, I did a flying kick there. Nice. Yeah. Not sure I'll get as far as this on the second go, so I might not just bother. I might just not bother. Ah, bollocks. Come on. Not fair, they've got fucking weapons. Ah. Healy. Must be my last go. Let me check my lives. Box. Fuck. Bollocks. Oh, he's got another go. Come on. Bollocks. Ass kicked. Let's see what we're on. 8 minutes. Right. I think that'll do. Because I just don't have the space. CDE. That's my sign in, but I couldn't work out how to get a way to make it not do that all the time. So there we go. Right, okay. This is Cal Games Retro out for a Retro Tech to 100 challenge. If you want to go, you've probably left it too late, because I've left it too late. It's 11:15, and last submission is technically probably midnight, but I'm guessing that probably won't allow that, because want to get the new game out and announced before the end of the day. So if you want to check that on Facebook, RetroTech 100, we do challenges every week, old arcade games mainly. You get 2 credits, 20p worth, and whoever gets the highest score or gets the furthest in, which I'm sure it is this week, wins the prize of smugness and getting to pick the next game. So yeah, that's all great and fun. See you on the next challenge.